Welcome to today's meditation to make a specific person call you and start adoring you. To enhance the power of this meditation, listen to this for 21 days for best results. Now let's begin. Find a quiet space and get comfortably seated or lie down. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it while gently closing your eyes. Another deep breath in and slowly release it, emptying your mind of all worries and concerns. Take another deep breath in and slowly release it out, letting go of any tension. With every inhale, cleanse your spirit and mind, and with every exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are about to connect to the divine inside of you. That part of you is perfect. That part of you is listening right now, waiting for your command. Now visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin. See everything that makes them unique. Admire the mere sight of them. Feel yourself become one with their presence. This specific person is sitting in front of you and they are happy. Thoughts of you have been constantly running through their mind. They have been thinking about all of the wonderful time you both share together. They can't stop thinking about how wonderful you are and how you make them so happy. They love you. They adore you. They cherish you. They know now that you are their soulmate and they are ready to confess all of their true feelings for you. So they pick up the phone, they are scrolling through it and find your name in their contacts. They click on your name and now they hear the phone start to ring. Your specific person feels so happy to be calling you right now. Now imagine hearing your phone ring. You grab your phone and see that it is your specific person calling you. You tap on the green phone button to answer. You can now hear their voice. What are they saying to you? How do you feel right now as you are talking to them? Inhale deeply and feel whatever feeling you are feeling right now deeply and passionately. Now say to yourself, "Thank you, universe, for making my specific person adore me." You are full of love, joy, and happiness in this moment. Take a deep inhale to lock those feelings in. Now release it out and let it go into the universe. Now slowly open your eyes. Type "Thank you, universe, for making my specific person adore me" to affirm this meditation. Let me know in the comment section how you felt during this meditation. And after manifesting, please share in the comment section. Also, to enhance the power of this meditation, head to joybyjanell.com to manifest your specific person fast. Meditations work great, but if your mind is constantly holding you back with negative beliefs about your specific person, you will never manifest them. Get one of my love spells to block those negative beliefs and manifest your specific person instantly. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.